Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Aksha BD, good morning. Welcome. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, let's continue to discuss the chapter light, reflection, and refraction. In the last class, we were discussing the concept called lens formula and also magnification of the image produced by the lenses.
Sir, unmute your audio. Unmute your audio.
You know that lens formula, it gives the relationship among the object distance from the lens, image distance from the lens, and also focal length of the lens. What is that relationship?
1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u.
Yes, it is. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. And to know how big or how small the image is with respect to the object, we go for using a scientific concept called magnification. Yes, the ratio of height of the object, height of the image to the height of the object with respect to the lens. And this magnification is found out by using the formula m is equal to hi by h naught. This is also equal to
v by u.
v by u. And we also know that magnification for convex lens, whether it is positive or negative. Yes, it may be either positive or it may be negative. If we come across the value of magnification with respect to convex lens, it may be equal to 1, it may be greater
More
than
than
1,
one, less than one.
it is less than 1 also. Next, magnification with respect to concave lens, it is
Positive.
whether it is positive or negative.
Positive.
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 because the image formed by the concave lens, it is always erect. Object will always be erect. Hence, as both are positive, this magnification will always be positive with respect to concave. Next, its value, whether it is greater than 1 or equal to 1 or less than 1.
Less than 1.
Less than 1.
If it is positive and less than 1, if the magnification is positive and less than 1, you can say that it is. That image is formed by concave lens. Got it? So this much was discussed in the last class. Now we are moving to solve some of the important numerical problems with respect to lens formula as well as magnification formula. So write the side heading numerical problems. Written up. Just before going to solve the numerical problems, one information. You all know that yesterday CBSE board has released the results of last year 2020 and 21. No doubt, result is very good, and even many students have secured good marks as well. In spite of that, as there was a competition among all the students was one time. So some students have performed excellent in their school test and exams and all. Based on that only they have given the marks. So here one student who was coming to our tuition, one girl student has secured very good marks. She has secured full marks in mathematics, even in science also. And in other subjects, she has got 99. Maths and science, 100 and 100. Then English, social, and Kannada. In all these, 99, 99, and 99. Our percentage is 99 point, almost 45. I think she may be the topper of, topper of this Davangere district. And I accept her result because every year also we used to conduct the test. In every test and every preparatory, in all the midterm exams and all, she used to secure 97, 98, 99. In that range only she was there. So that our result is bona fide. So it can be believed. So from our side, let us wish her a great success in her future as well. I've already congratulated her, but just I told you, because this year, no doubt exam will be conducted. So don't neglect, just focus on your performance. Focus on your performance in your school test and exams and all what they conduct. Even the board examination as well. Okay. Now, let's continue. Numerical problems. First one, I'm going to take a simple one, and it was given in the examination as well. The statement is, a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. A convex length of focal length 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 1 centimeter from the wall. Full stop. How far from the lens? How far from the lens should an object be placed? Should an object be placed, put comma, so that so that to form its real image on the wall, to form its real image on the wall. Please go through the given statement once. It is a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Focal length is already given. It is 10 centimeter. Just let us write that in data. F is equal to, let's tell that. Positive 10 centimeter or negative? It is positive because
Positive.
we all know that focal length of the convex lens is always positive. Right. Plus 10 centimeter. Continue. Is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the wall. Convex lens is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the wall. See that this is the wall and here is convex lens. The distance between wall and the lens is, it is 12 centimeter. Then what does it represent? Object distance. Image distance. Which one?
Focal length.
Focal length.
Object distance.
Object distance. Question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Image distance.
How far from the lens should an object be placed?
Image distance, sir.
Image distance.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ here wall acts as a screen. Image is formed on the wall means image is formed on the screen from the lens. The distance of the image from the lens is image distance. So here it is image distance. Image distance is denoted by the symbol V. And V is 12 centimeter. Whether it is positive or negative. Why it is positive?
It is in a direction of light.
In case of convex lens, when the image is formed on the screen, the distance of the image is measured in the direction of light. Then image is formed on the screen. So it is measured in the direction of light, except in one case. When the object is placed between O and F, in that
Yes,
case
sir.
only image distance will be negative. In all other cases, image is positive. See that here real image and the so that to form its real image means it is caught on the screen. Therefore, it is positive. Then you are going to find out object distance. This is U. You are going to find out U. Let us use the lens formula. Who are writing with me? By lens formula. Tell the formula used to find out. 1 by F is equal to, correct? Substitute 1 by, where F is 10, 1 by V is 12 minus 1 by U as. Let us solve U. Hence, I go for transferring minus 1 by U to the left hand side. It becomes plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 2. Transfer 1 by 10 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 1 by 10. Take LCM. What is the LCM? 60. Then 12 5s are, then 5 1s are 5. Multiply LCM with the second term. 10 1s are 10 6 are. It is minus 1 by 60. 1 by U. Take the reciprocal. U is equal to minus 60. At what distance object should be placed from the lens? 60 centimeter. Don't say minus 60. Minus sign indicate distance is measured in the direction opposite to the light. Got it? Object should be placed at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens. Right. Conclusion. Therefore, the object should be placed at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens to obtain real image. Voila. Now let me give you second one. Second one, put star bar and write. Second one. Right. It is if an object of 7 centimeter height, if an object of 7 centimeter height is placed at a distance of at a distance of 12 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter full stop. Find nature, size and position of the image, form. Full stop. Full. Right. Also put comma. Draw the ray diagram to represent the above situation, or just right. Draw the ray diagram. Please don't go for calculation, just listen. What is the nature of the lens they are given?
Convex lens.
Convex. What is its focal length?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. If I write, here it is optical center, this is principal focus, this is second principal focus, and here first principal focus, second principal focus. Focal length, it is the distance between optical center and principal focus. This distance is 8 centimeter. At what distance the object should be placed? 12 centimeter. Place the object either on the left side or on the right side, wherever you want.
Between F and 2F.
And where, on the principal axis, where we have to place the object?
Between F and 2F.
F and 2F.
Between F and 2F, or at 2F, or beyond 2F.
Between F and
2F. Focal length is 8 centimeter from here to here, 8. Here to here, 8. Total from here to here, it is 16. O to F is 8. Then 9 to 16 is here. As the object should be placed at a distance of 12 centimeter, that comes between F and 2F. Here you are going to place the object. When the object is placed between F and 2F, where the image is formed?
Between
beyond 2F.
one
Beyond 2F. On the other side of the
Then
Other side, diminished or magnified.
magnified, sir.
magnified.
Right, sir.
Whether it is real or virtual.
Real and inverted.
Inverted or erect.
Real and inverted.
Inverted.
Just discussion only, we have come to know the characteristic, nature, size, and position. Nature is, it is real and inverted. Size is magnified, but at the yes of the final they are given. They have asked. Position is on beyond 2f means at what distance? Just approximate distance here. More than 15 centimeters. So our answer should be more than 16 centimeters. Whether it is positive 16 centimeter or negative.
Positive.
Positive,
Positive.
sir.
Yeah. It is found on the other side of the lens. We have already come to know answer for question. But now we
Image distance is plus 24 centimeters, sir.
Correct. 24 centimeter. It's not writing with me. First data. Here, once you go through the statement and go on writing. If an object of 7 centimeter height, what does it represent? H.
H.
Object. 7 centimeter. Positive or negative? Positive. Prashant sir, your students, if unwanted sound is coming from your side, please mute.
Prem Pikaleshwar, what do you want, Appa? Prem Pikaleshwar,
7 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter. What does 12 centimeter indicate? Object distance.
Object
U
distance.
equal to 12 centimeter. Positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
Negative.
Positive.
So, Vijay, why it is negative 12 centimeter?
is opposite to direction of rays.
We all know that object distance is always negative, either with respect to lens or mirror. The reason is object distance will always be taken in the direction opposite to the light. So that is why it is always negative. And focal length has been given. How much? 8 centimeter. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Focal length of convex lens, even convex mirror, positive only. Then let us go for finding nature, size, and position. I mean, position we must find out V. And if you want to describe about the size of the image, you must find out HI breakdown. This much. Next, let's move on to calculation. Put imply symbol first. What you will go for finding?
Image distance
You will find out image distance. How?
by lens formulas.
Lens form. Please write. By lens formula. It is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by. Go for substitution. It is 1 by, where f is 8, positive 8. 1 by v is unknown, minus 1 by u is negative 12. Next, it is 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by v. Here, minus into minus, plus 1 by 12. Got same? Next,
Yes, sir.
we want only 1 by v. 1 by v, it is equal to 1 by. Transfer 1 by 12 to the left hand side. It is minus 1 by. What is the LCM? 24.
24,
is the LCM.
24, sir.
Multiply LCM with both the terms. 8 3s are
3s are
8
2s are
2s are. It is equal to 1 by 24. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 12. Then what is v?
24.
24 centimeter. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Negative, sir.
Positive. What does it mean with respect to lens? V is positive means image is formed on the screen.
On screen.
At what distance?
24 centimeter.
24
Next, ಈಗ position ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. We want size.
Size is 14 centimeter below the principal axis, sir.
Very good. How do you find out that?
By
using
magnification
Magnification
of
formula.
lens.
What is magnification?
M is equal to hi
Hi
by
by
h naught,
H naught. That
which
is
is equal to V by U.
V by U. As we are going to find out the size of the image, let us use this. Reason is, you know that V, U as well as H naught. All the three terms are known. Let us find out. Hi by H naught, height of the object is positive 7. When you are solving the problems with respect to mirror or lens, just keep on pronouncing these words, positive and negative, every time. Adonso practice agutte. Next, V is positive 24. Next, U is negative 12. You may cancel it. Ones up, twos up, cross multiply.
Minus
Chi
4.
is equal to minus or negative 14 centimeter. What is the height of the image? 14 centimeter step. Height of the image is 14 centimeter. Then what does negative sign indicate?
It
Below
is
the-
below the principal
below
axis.
the principal.
Image is formed
It is below the principal.
If it is below the principal axis, whether it is upright or inverted.
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 Inverted image, whether it is on the screen or inside the lens.
On the
On
screen.
the
On the
screen.
screen.
On the screen.
You got both object distance as well as, image distance as well as image height. Next, we have to describe these characteristics. First, nature. Nature. What is the nature?
Real and inverted.
Inverted. How do you decide nature is real and inverted?
The height of the image is negative.
Hmm?
Height of the image is
Height
negative.
of the image is
Of the image is negative.
inverted. It is
And the image
inverted
distance
means
is positive.
By the image distance,
And
we
the image-
conclude that image is real or virtual. Sir.
We are writing about the nature of the image by using this. For reference type, HI is equal to minus 14 centimeter. Here negative sign indicates inverted. Therefore, it is formed on the screen. As it is formed on the screen, it is real. Right? Even magnification negative bandru kuda namage, it is formed on the screen. Are you following?
Sir.
Right. Nature is real and inverted. Size. Size already, you know that.
14 centimeter below the
14 centimeter below the principal axis. Size is, so height of the image is 14 centimeter. Height of the image is 14. Don't write negative 14. Next, position. Position. What is the position? Image is formed at the distance of 24 centimeter from the
on the other
lens.
side of the lens.
On the other side of the lens, right? Image is formed at a distance of 24 centimeter on the other side of the lens. On the other side of the lens. Other side of the lens. Next, after that, yes, we should move on to ray diagram. Ray diagram. Take scale and pencil. First, draw a straight line. And go on marking for every 2 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8. Even you can extend this also. And draw perpendicular. At the midpoint and name this point. This is O, optical center. This first point from O, first point is principal focus. Next point is second principal focus. Here on the left side, first principal focus, then second principal focus. Use compasses. Then with 2F center up to the length, sorry, up to the aperture, half of the aperture as radius, drawing. With 2F on the other side of the lens as center, draw one more arc. We will get convex lens.
Convex.
We know that focal length is, it is 8 centimeters. Its midpoint will be 4 centimeters. And exactly between F and 2F, how much will be the distance? 12 centimeters. So object distance has been given, it is 12 centimeters. We all know that height of the object is 7 centimeters. Just you can draw a line. Name this as AB. Next, draw a line parallel to the principal axis. Next. We all know that this ray passes through the focus on the other side of the lens. What is the second ray? Yes. Ray of light coming from the object incident at optical center and it passes through the lens without bending. Show that ray. Now the image is false. It is the intersection of both the refracted ray. At that point, bending. Name it as A dash, B dash. image is formed like this. Next,
Beyond the F.
it is beyond 2f1. This is the ray diagram. And write the distances. Here we have shown the focal length, then object distance is known. It is 12 centimeter. Next, image distance is also known. 24 centimeter. 8 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8, 8, 8. Okay, 3f ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 3f ಅಲ್ಲಿ image form. This is 24 centimeter. Object height is known. This is 7 centimeter. Image height is also known. It is 14 centimeter. Double of it is 14 centimeter. Ora. Next. Now we want to take two problems from concave. So two are taken with respect to convex. Third one, it is related to concave. Right. Third one. It is a concave lens has focal length. Concave lens has focal length. Focal length of 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Full stop. At what distance? At what distance should an object be placed? Should an object be placed so that it forms an image, at 10 centimeter from the lens. 10 centimeter from the lens. Question mark. Also, find the magnification produced by the lens. Also, find the magnification produced by the lens. Magnification produced by the lens. Ora. This is also very simple. Where the image is formed? Either in front of the lens or on the other side of the lens.
Other side of the lens.
Other side of
Same side of the object.
Same.
Inside the
Inside of
lens.
the object.
Lens ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ image form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But ನಮಗೆ ray diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ that comes in front, that we have already come to know. Image formed by the lens will always be formed between optical center and principal focus. Please go through the statement and write the data with. It is a concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. What does 15 centimeter indicate? Focal length. Whether it is positive or
Focal
negative.
Positive.
Negative.
Focal length of the
Negative.
Negative, sir.
Negative.
yes. Focal length of the concave lens is negative. You write negative 15 centimeter. At what distance should an object be placed? Means what we are going to find out.
U.
Object distance. U
U.
is question mark. Whether object distance is positive or negative.
Negative,
Negative.
sir.
Negative.
Negative.
Final answer should be
Sir.
negative. Next. So that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens. Image
Negative.
distance is given.
Negative.
It is V. V is equal to how much? 10 centimeter. Negative or
Negative,
positive?
sir. Negative.
Negative.
Negative. Because
Negative.
image formed by the concave lens, it is always inside. It is not formed on the screen. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next. Very good. Next, also find the magnification produced by the lens. Let us find out M as well.
Sir, U is equal to minus 30.
Correct. You are correct. Let's go on to calculation. So, what should be used? Lens formula.
Lens
Right.
formula.
By lens formula. Vijay, what is the lens formula? Very good. Now substitute.
Sir, U is 30 minus 30 centimeters.
Yes, sir. U is equal to minus 30 centimeters.
And magnification is 0.33.
33. 0. Plus 0.33.
Negative 15. 1 by V. V is negative 10 minus 1 by U. We want U. Transfer minus 1 by U to the left hand side. It becomes plus 1 by. Then minus 1 by 10. Transfer minus 1 by 15 to the right hand side. It is plus 1 by 15. Then this is equal to, take LCM and simplify. It is 30.
30, sir.
Multiply 30 with the first term. 1s are 3s are minus 3. Then multiply 30 with second term. 2s are. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Then by 30. So 1 by U equal to minus 1 by 30. U equal to negative 30 centimeter. At what distance object should be placed? 30 centimeter. That's a good thing. Then what does negative sign indicate?
It is in the direction of
It
opposite of
is
light.
in direction of
Yeah.
opposite.
The distance
left.
of the object is in the direction opposite to the light. Hence, we have taken answer is negative. Conclusive kune kune. Next, we have to find out magnification. By magnification formula, we all know that magnification is minus V by U or plus V by U. Plus V
Plus
by
V by U.
Plus V by U.
equal to where V is negative 10. U is
Minus 30.
30. It is equal to
1 by 3.
1 by 3. M is positive 1 by 3
0.33.
equal to positive 0.3 bar. It is a recurring. When you bring 1 by 3 and the okay, no problem. 0.3 bar. What does it indicate?
It is a recurring decimal.
Indicates
Recurring
Another
decimal expansion.
image is
Decimal expansion.
3 times less than the size of the object. Size of the image is 0.3 bar times the size of the object. One thing. And what is positive indication?
It is above the principal axis.
Is above the principal
sir.
axis.
ಅದು height ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Virtual and direct. Virtual.
Please do remember. Very good. Very good. Magnification will always indicate about nature of the image form. And if positive ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is virtual and image will also be erect. So it is virtual and erect. So let us write the conclusion. So for first one, at what distance should an object be placed? So object should be placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the lens. Right. Therefore, the object should be placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the lens. Next, second conclusion. And the magnification is positive 0.3. Overall, now
Sir.
we are moving to one more.
Yes, sir.
And this has been given in the examination. You will put star mark. For fourth one, put star mark and write. Fourth one. Right. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter 15 centimeter for an image for an image 10 centimeter from the lens 10 centimeter from the lens Full stop. How far is the object? How far is the object? Placed from the lens. Next, find the nature, size, and position of the image. Full stop. Then draw the ray diagram to represent the given situation.
Sir, it is the same question, sir.
Huh?
Question same is, sir.
As previous one, same values are there.
It's okay. Values, you leave it. Right, quickly. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Tell that F is equal to
minus 15.
negative 15 centimeter. Next, from a form an image 10 centimeter from the length.
Image
What does
distance
it indicate?
Positive, sir.
Image distance B, negative or positive?
Positive, sir. Positive.
Negative or positive?
negative, sir.
Form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. How far is the object
Negative
placed?
10
That is u equal to question mark.
minus 30 centimeter.
Then we have to find out the nature. Nature find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you must know magnification. Let us go for calculation. Calculation. We have to use length formula. By length formula, it is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Substitute and simplify. 1 by f is negative 50, 1 by v is negative 10, then minus 1 by u. Transfer minus 1 by u to the left hand side, it becomes plus. Then minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 50. Next, LCM is 30. 10, 2s are, sorry, 3s are, then 15, 2s are, minus 1 by 30. Hope you have got saved. Yes. U is negative 30 centimeter. Object placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the length. Next. Also find the nature, size and position. First conclusion. Therefore, the object should be placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the length. Sub question we have given answer. Next, second sub question is also find the nature, size and position. So first we shall go for
Sir, magnification.
magnification. We know that magnification is V by U. The height of the object image, you can take V by U, where V is negative 10, U is
Sir,
negative 30,
minus
is
2, sir.
1 by
1 by 3.
Negative 2.
M is positive 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and this value is less than 1 or greater than 1?
Less than 1.
Less than 1.
Less than 1.
0.3. With this information, let us write nature, size and position. First, nature. As magnification is positive, what do you say about the nature? Can it be caught on the screen?
No, sir. It is virtual and error.
Virtual and direct.
Virtual and direct. M is positive. Therefore, the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Size. What do you say? Diminished means size of the image is smaller than the object. Image is smaller than the object. Smaller than the object by 1 by 3. Next, position already written. Sorry, position. Where is the image? Image is at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens on the same side of the object. Image is at a distance of 10 centimeter on the same side of the object. Same side of the object. Let's go for ray diagram. Take scale and pencil. Draw a straight line. Draw a straight line and go on every 2 centimeters. Here 2, 4, and 8. At the middle, draw perpendicular, which represents the aperture. Let it be 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter above the principal axis and 2 centimeter below the principal axis. And go on marking the term. One is optical center, denoted as O, and second one is principal focus, denoted as F, and let us mark 2F as well. On the left side also. As we have to draw the concave lens, you may go for using protractor. Even you may use the compasses as well. Yes. Then on this side also. Then here as well. This is concave lens. You may name it as NL dash. Focal length is known. How much? 15 centimeters. Here is mark. At what distance object is placed? 30 centimeter. And where we have to place the object? At 2M. Because focal length is 15 centimeter. Object distance is 30. Double of focal length. At 2M. Next. First, light ray coming from the object incident on the lens parallel to the principal axis. Draw this first one. Whether this ray converge or diverge? Diverge.
Divergence.
From a point. Where is that point? On the same side of the object or the other side of the lens? Same side of the object. And let us extend. Next, what is the second ray? Yes.
Optic center.
Through the lens. Through optical center. Both will intersect at a point. That point lies between O and F. From that point, draw a perpendicular. This is AB, this is A dash. But in the examination, you have to write all the terms. The very beginning when I told you. Now let us mark the remaining distances. Remaining distances. Object distance. Object distance is how much? 30 centimeter. Focal length is shown. Next, image distance. They won't have given, it is 10 centimeter. Here we go. If you're finding the space is too less, you can separated variable. O to B, OB is the object distance. It is 30 centimeter. Focal length OB dash, sorry, OF, it is 15 centimeter. Image distance OB dash is 10 centimeter. Overall. Last, one more problem is there. This has been given in the examination. Let's move on. This one was double 3-star marks and right. Right. An image formed on a screen formed on a screen. Hope that you are able to guess the nature of the lens. Convex use one. Image formed on a screen. Screen is 3 times the size of the object. Is 3 times the size of an object. So, what is the size of the object? It is bigger than, sorry, image is bigger than the object. Size of the object, full stop. The object and screen are 80 centimeter apart. The object and screen 80 centimeter apart. Means, what does it indicate? Image is formed on the screen. Object is at one place. The image and the screen.
Distance between image and the object. Image and object distance.
Image distance. That sum is 80 centimeter. Distance between object and image is 80 centimeter. Full stop. 80 centimeter apart. Don't put full stop. Apart. When the image is sharply focused. When the image is sharply focused. Full stop. Right. That first sub question. What is the nature of the lens used? Why? B. Calculate the focal length of the lens. Focal length of the lens. As the image is formed on the screen, what do you say about the type of the lens?
Convex lens.
Convex lens.
First one you go to direct to right. First one get solution and the answer very question here. What is the nature of the lens used? The lens used is convex. So convex lens is used. Convex lens ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರು marks ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. No doubt. Why? So question is why?
Because only convex lens produces the real images.
Yes. The convex lens can catch the image on the screen, or it can produce the image on the screen. Right? Because convex lens can form an image on the screen. Image on the screen. Let's go for answer B. B answer that is, if you want to find out the focal length, which term you must know? Object distance ಮತ್ತೆ image distance. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So, and which formula should be used for finding focal length?
Lens formula.
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 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. But ನಮಗೆ both are unknown. ಅಲ್ವಾ? Are they given object distance? No. But it has been given that an image found on the screen is 3 times the size of the object, which means magnification ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes, sir. Magnification is 3.
3, sir.
Positive 3 or negative 3?
Positive.
Negative 3.
Negative, sir.
Positive 3, sir.
Yes, sir. Positive.
In ನಮಗೆ real image is formed on the screen, so that magnification should be negative.
Negative.
3. So general ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ it is hi by h naught is equal to minus negative 3. Then size of the image is equal to 3 times the size of the object. Will be written like this. You minus 3 h naught ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. Here image formed is inverted. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. hi is equal to negative. This is to be read separate. 3 h naught. Don't write anything. And we also know that magnification is also v by u. Alva? Then magnification is negative 3. Then v by u. Then v is equal to either negative u or u is equal to negative v by 3. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ತಗೋ. Let us go for taking v is equal to negative 3u. Using this, is it possible to find? ಇಲ್ಲ. Don't write these steps. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ explanation ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is that?
Distance between object and image.
80 centimeter apart. Distance between object and screen is 80 centimeter ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That means object distance plus image distance is 80 centimeter. Followed, object distance is u, image distance is v.
V.
Are you following? Is equal to
Sir.
80 centimeter. Then further,
V is equal to minus 3u. U plus minus 3 is equal to minus 2u.
minus 3u plus v. u minus 3u is equal to 8. Next,
Minus 2u.
minus 2u is equal to 8.
U is equal to minus 40.
Minus 4.
Negative 40. Negative ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
Because object distance is always negative.
Always negative.
The direction opposite to the light. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. What is the image distance?
120, sir.
120, sir.
120, sir.
V is
Plus 120.
minus 3 u minus 3 into minus 40 is equal to,
Plus
120.
120.
right? Continue. Sir, the distance is 80 centimeter. Already we got 40 and plus 40 and it is negative bandide. Now let us substitute in this. 1 by V is positive 120, U is negative 40. It is 1 by 120 plus 1 by 40. LCM extra with it. 120 only. 1 plus
30, sir.
3. It is 4 by 120 is nothing but 30. 1 by F is 30. F is positive or negative? Why it is positive?
Because in the direction of the light.
Direction of light.
Convex ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Did you understand? Doubt? Vijay, Achar, Shankar, Suraj, Drupadesh, VD, VR, Saunor, Mukta, Lakshmi, Nagsamudra, Lakshana S. Kumar, Spandana, Ruchika, SS, Lokunde. Hold on. Okay. Now, let's move to right. M is equal to negative 3. Negative 3. M is nothing but V by U is equal to negative 3. V is equal to minus, that is negative 3 U. Then we also know that U plus V is equal to 80. Where V is negative 3U, it is 80. Then negative U is equal to 40. Or U is equal to negative 40. Next, V is equal to negative 3 into U. U is minus 40. It is plus 1. Use the length formula. By length formula. By length formula. By length formula. 1 by F.
1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U.
1 by V.
1 by B minus 1 by U. Substitute. 1 by V is 120. 1 by U is negative 40. Then this is equal to 1 by 120 plus 1 by 40. LCM 120. It is 1 plus 3. It is 4 by 120. It is 1 by 30. 1 by F is 1 by 30. F is equal to 30. Positive 30 centimeters. So therefore, the focal length of the lens is 30 centimeters. These are the important numerical problems. Now we are moving to the next part of this chapter. Hope that most of you know.
Power of the lens.
Power of the lens. uses of the lens. Uses ಕೊನೆಗೆ discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Power of the lens, and before that, let me teach you one more concept. We have already discussed about the refraction of light through a rectangular glass. Wow. Okay. If it is a rectangular glass, the light ray incident obliquely like this. Whether it undergoes refraction? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what does this ray indicate?
Refracted ray,
Refracted ray.
emergent ray,
Emergent ray.
This is
incident ray,
Incident ray.
this
Ray.
is
refracted ray,
Refracted ray.
Emergent ray.
Emergent ray.
this is incident
normal,
ray.
Incident.
incident,
But the incident normally on the surface of the lens, sorry, slab. Then
Straight, sir. Both straight.
Reflected rays. Right, sir.
no. Okay.
Ray.
Angle of incidence is
angle of
zero.
incidence 0, sir.
Zero.
It just passes through the slab.
Slab.
Here, light undergoes refraction how many times when it passes through this transparent material?
Two
Two
times.
times. Two
Two
times.
times.
2 times.
2 times.
You are also familiar with this object. Can you tell how does it look like?
Diamond.
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 One of the important characteristic of diamond is it sparkles in the presence of light, right? Do you know why it happens?
Refraction of light.
Due to refraction. Andre, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ವಾ? But actually it doesn't happen. Just to, I'm showing only one way. Just one ray of light incident on the surface of the diamond, and it undergoes refraction. Refraction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Refraction, then here like this. ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It undergoes refraction many times inside the diamond only. But the refraction ಅಂದ್ರೆ it should pass, no? But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? Once it gets refracted, then after that it gets reflected. ಇಲ್ಲಿ refract ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then ಇಲ್ಲಿ reflect ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then here it gets reflected, then here reflected, then it comes out.
Sir, it has only one transparent medium.
But if it has to be reflected, the surface should act as a mirror. But you say that the surface of the diamond is like a mirror? No.
No, sir.
Then what actually will happen? Now let me go for explaining that. You are also familiar with how the light ray bends when it travels from rarer to denser as well as denser to rarer. This is A. This is glass. Ray of light incident. How does it bend?
Towards the normal.
Towards the
normal.
Towards the normal. Then denser to rarer.
Away from the normal.
Away from the normal.
Away from the normal. Once the light enters from the air, it bends towards the normal here, alva? Because it travels from air to glass, rarer to denser. Then it has to pass from denser to rarer. Before passing, it is getting reflected. Understood? It is trying to go away from it. That means it will bend away from the normal. Here, instead of undergoing refraction, it gets reflected. Let me tell you the reason. I'm going to draw a line that represents or which separates two media. One is denser medium and second one is rarer medium. Why I have taken denser and rarer? Here inside the diamond, light get reflected while traveling from denser to rarer. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. So that is why I have taken denser to rarer. Then I draw one ray which is normal. Next, let me go for taking a light ray. This is the light ray which incident on the surface which separates two medium. That is denser and rarer medium na separate ಮಾಡುವಂತ layer. Light is traveling from denser to rarer. How does it bend? Towards
Away from the
Towards the normal.
Away from the normal.
Away from the normal.
Away from the normal.
This is away from the normal. Now, observe angle of incidence and angle of refraction. What will be the angle of refraction as the angle of incidence increases?
Decreases.
Okay. Do one thing. Compare I and R. What do you say? Whether R is greater than I or I is greater than R?
R is greater than I,
Is
sir.
greater than
I. Now I am going to increase the angle of incidence. Color use. I am increasing the angle of incidence. As the angle of incidence increases, what happens?
Angle of refraction also increases.
Also increases.
Angle of refraction also increases. Next. Again, I am going to increase the angle of incidence. Then what will be the angle of
It also-
refraction? Angle
it
of
also
refraction
It also increases.
increases. Such that at one particular angle of incidence, then the angle of refraction is 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
See, when the light ray is traveling from denser to rarer medium, one angle of incidence, which makes the angle of refraction 90 degrees, and we call such angle of incidence as, hope that most of you know, if the light chapter is over, it is called, this is called critical
Critical angle.
Critical angle. The angle of incidence which makes the angle of refraction 90 degree. An angle of incidence which makes the angle of refraction 90 degree is called critical angle, and that critical angle is denoted by C. Now I am going to increase this critical angle. I am going to take an angle of incidence which is more than the critical angle. Are you following? What happens? What will be the angle of refraction now? Will it be
More than 90 degree.
More than 90 degree, less than 90 degree?
More than 90
More
degrees.
than 90 degree.
50 degree.
90 degree. Here it is. Okay. Actually, it is a transparent material. Light should pass through this, but in this case, light instead of passing, it gets reflected in the same medium. Got it? And this type reflection is known as total internal reflection. What it is? Total
Internal
reflection.
Total internal reflection. and is abbreviated as TIR, total internal reflection. What is total internal reflection? When a ray of light traveling from one medium to another medium, if it get reflected in the same medium, then it is called total internal reflection. And this total internal reflection takes place under two conditions. Yeah, whether it takes place when it is traveling from air to glass, that is rarer medium to denser
Rarer to
medium.
denser.
No.
Denser medium to rarer medium.
Denser to rarer.
Medium to
Denser to rarer.
Medium to rarer medium. Total internal reflection takes place when a ray of light traveling from denser to rarer. Second one, but denser to rarer no, here when it is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, its angle of incidence
More than the critical.
should be
More than
greater
90.
More than critical angle.
angle of critical angle. I should be greater than C. Angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. Understood? When a ray of light traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, if its angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then it undergoes reflection. We call that reflection as total internal reflection. So this is the phenomena that takes place in transparent material. So these are the two conditions under which it takes place. So when light ray travels from denser to rarer, second one, when its angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. So that is why once the light enters into the diamond, it doesn't pass through the diamond easily. It undergoes total internal reflection many times. This is the concept which was given in the examination as well. Question another, what is total internal reflection and what are the conditions under which total internal reflection takes place? This was the question. And in one of the examinations for 1 mark, they asked about critical angle. So now the students will go for writing the side heading total internal reflection. Yes. Any object, any transparent medium, in case angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then you may be thinking that if so, sir, give an example. What is this?
Water drop, sir.
Water drops, sir.
Wow.
Drops of water.
Yeah. Last year, before last year, you learned a concept called dispersion of light.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Formation of rainbow, sir.
Beautiful arc that can be seen in the sky with 7 colors. What it is?
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
It is information about rainbow. And the rainbow, actually, in case of rainbow, here also the total internal reflection takes place. And then our atmosphere consists of water droplets, and water droplets act as small prisms. That is why once the light enters into it, it gets split up into 7 colors. And get direct pass it undergoes total internal reflection and comes out with those 7 colors, and these 7 colors will reach us. Again, we have explanation regarding this concept in the chapter called
Human eye and colorful world.
Colorful word.
Human eye and colorful world.
Colorful is beautiful. We will get reason for all those in that chapter. Beautiful world, the human eye and colorful world. That's right. Cited total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. Right, the definition. The phenomenon in which light undergoes reflection.
Refraction, sir.
Reflection when it travels from denser medium to rarer medium. Is called or is known as TIR. Next, right. Conditions under which total internal reflection takes place. TIR takes conditions under which TIR takes place. Conditions under which TIR takes place. Right. First condition, when a ray of light travels from denser to rarer, but you D to R of the very denser to rarer.
Sir, excuse.
First condition, when a ray of light travels from denser to rarer medium. Next, second condition, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. When the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. Ora. Finished?
Side, please, sir.
Listen to me. You have to write the definition of critical angle yourself. Next, after that, you have to draw this ray diagram as well. Not now, in home. Now it is already time up. And tomorrow, I think only one period is required for completing.
Excuse me,
the
sir.
syllabus.
Sir,
This chapter.
excuse me.
Second point, 1 second, sir.
Second point is when the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. Okay, let me continue the same chapter tomorrow. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.
Thank
Good
you.
day.
Thank you.